That should be clear. 4 Kilo.
Yeah, 2-3. When you see any movement in there.
Hi fellow Star Wars fans, this is Daniel from Rogue Clone Trooper. I've literally just got home from work and there's a package waiting on me. So let's go over and let's open this package and see what's inside. You might have a pleasant surprise. Alright, so let's open the box. All the way in from America. And, yeah, from DW Designs. So, careful now, I cut myself the last time. Right. Right. Hopefully that's. Ta-da! See what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Oh, Leo, it's already made up. Dun, dun, dun. He sent some of his trading cards as well. Cool. It's his trading cards. The man who made this.
Oh.
Ta-da! It's a little bit smelly, is it? Okay, but there it is. That's the belt. Cool. It's got rubberized backing and molded plastic front. This is amazingly made. But there we go, Leo. That's clone belt. Isn't that amazing? Can I have a look at that? There we go. Alright, so it's finally arrived. I finally got it.